BERBAMAX. BERBAMAX is a premium blood sugar control supplement made up from 97% Berberine HCL, providing super fast results. BERBAMAX multi-action formula is designed to supports healthy blood sugar levels, supports healthy cholesterol levels, supports a healthy metabolism. 5 specific ways berberine can stabilize your blood sugar. Decrease insulin resistance, making the blood sugar lowering hormone, insulin, more effective. Decrease sugar production in the liver. Slow the breakdown of carbohydrates. Increases the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Removes deep body fat that accumulates around the belly and organs.